What's up, you guys? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel. And today starts baking with D. And today we are going to be making sugar cookies and we're going to be decorating them, and it's going to be super fun. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get into it. First, I'm gonna tell you guys the ingredients that I have. So first things first is, of course, sugar. It's sugar cookies need sugar. I have all-purpose flour. I have salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, butter, and this butter has been sitting out for about an hour and a half. It has to be room temperature for this recipe to work, so make sure you guys take out your butter before you start this recipe. I have some decorating sugar and also these holiday sprinkles. I got these from Michael's in Vlogmas day number 5, so make sure you guys go check that out. I have cookie icing in different colors: white, red, black, yellow, and green. I have my measuring tool and my bowl, of course, and my mixer is over there. So let's get into making this cookie mix. So the dry ingredients call for 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, so 3/4 cups is 12 tablespoons. So this is already 8 tablespoons, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm just going to cut that in half. And this butter is really soft. Next, I'm going to add the butter to this bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 egg. I have to start over the dry ingredients because I was supposed to put the sugar in here and not in there. So I have to measure this out again. Next, I'm gonna add in the vanilla, and it's 2 teaspoons. You guys, this is what the dough is looking like right now, and I'm gonna place this in the fridge for about an hour, and in the meantime I'm gonna go find myself a rolling pin because I'm gonna need it, and I'm gonna clean up this mess and we'll be right back. I found myself a rolling pin, and now I'm going to preheat my oven to 345 degrees, and then I'm gonna take out my cookies and start rolling them out. So I've taken out my dough and it's chilled, so I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on the counter, and then I'm gonna use my cookie cutters for the shapes. So I placed the cookies in the oven for about 10 to 11 minutes, and I'll show you guys when I take them out. I still have more leftover cookie mix, and I have the other half in the fridge, so I might just save this for tomorrow, or I might make it today. I don't know. I have 13 cookies on the baking tray right now, so that's more than enough for just me. I might make some for my friends. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. So this is what the cookies are looking like now. They're definitely looking a little bit brown, but I think that's okay. They're definitely soft to touch. So now we're just gonna wait for them to cool down, and then we're gonna decorate. Like, you know, they're hard now. They taste good, but they're hard. I don't know why they're hard. But they're hard as a rock. But they taste good. cookies are looking like, and I think they look absolutely adorable. The only thing is that they are kind of hard. I wanted soft sugar cookies, so the next batch that I make, I'm just gonna leave it in the oven for like 9 minutes. This is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications to be notified the next time I post, and I will see you in my next video.